Software Spring. Presents. Which to use, XLOOKUP or QUERY, to extract data based on two-way match in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the XLOOKUP or QUERY function to extract data based on a two-way match. Alright, here is a request. Please click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Okay, here's a quick intro to XLOOKUP and QUERY functions. XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP can conduct a vertical, horizontal, or vertical and horizontal search for a specified keyword. XLOOKUP can extract data from a single cell or from an entire row or column. XLOOKUP function formula is: example, XLOOKUP will search for this search key in this lookup range and return the corresponding value from the result range. Query. Query can extract data based on one or more conditions. Query can extract data from one or more consecutive or non-consecutive columns. Query function formula is: example, query will check the data range for this keyword in column A and return the corresponding value from column E. Moving forward, let's extract data conducting a two-way search. That is, both a vertical and horizontal search. More importantly, we will also see which function might be better for a two-way lookup and data extraction. Alright, let's extract Q4 sales data for Store B. This means we have to search for two keywords, Store B and Q4. First I will use XLOOKUP and then Query to search and extract data. XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP allows to specify only one keyword. So, how to specify two keywords? Substitute another XLOOKUP function for the result range argument of first XLOOKUP. Here is the formula. Okay, let me type the XLOOKUP function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, X, L, and select XLOOKUP. For first search key, click this cell, and type comma. For lookup range, specify this range, and type comma. For result range, nest another XLOOKUP. For second search key, click this cell, and type comma. For lookup range, specify this range, and type comma. For result range, select this range, and type two closing parentheses, one each for the two XLOOKUP functions. The final formula is: alright, what will this XLOOKUP function return? It will return this range of data to the first XLOOKUP. The first XLOOKUP will search for the first keyword and will return data corresponding to the second keyword. Press enter. Okay, XLOOKUP has conducted both a vertical and horizontal search and returned the data. Query. Let me type the query function formula. Type the equal to symbol, Q, U, E, and select query. For data, select this range, and type comma. For query, type this command, between double quotes, and type comma. This command tells query to extract data from column E, corresponding to this keyword, in column A. The final formula is: press enter. There you go. Query has returned the data. So, both XLOOKUP and QUERY functions each conducted a vertical and horizontal search and extracted the data. The question is, which function has an edge? I find QUERY is more simple and straightforward. However, XLOOKUP is versatile. Use one of these two functions, based on your familiarity with them, and the task on hand. Summary: XLOOKUP or QUERY can conduct a vertical and/or horizontal search and extract data. Nest XLOOKUP inside another XLOOKUP for a two-way match. The XLOOKUP function formula is: the QUERY function formula is. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.